Hello, and welcome back to another series of Chartbusters brought to you by Nice Software Solutions. In this series, we will be exploring multiple chart types, their use cases, and build them using different business intelligence tools. Today, we will create circular radial chart using Tableau Desktop. Circular radial chart can be used to compare two-dimensional values in a circular format where each circle denotes one dimension and the lines plotted at various angles denote another dimension. In this video, we will use an aggregated data source to display year-wise subcategorical sales in the radial format. Each circle will represent a year and each line will represent a subcategory. There are a few prerequisites that must be followed for this visualization. We must perform aggregation of the measure values based on the dimensions we are using at the database level. For this video, we will aggregate the sample superstore data for the year and subcategory at the database level. We must have a numerical code or ID for the dimension that we will use for this chart. To achieve this, we have provided a subcategory ID for each subcategory. In the description, we have provided the link to download the data that we have used in this video. Let's go ahead and create the circular chart. In Tableau Desktop, connect to the aggregated data source. Create a parameter and name it as number of dots. Set the parameter value to 17. This is the number of subcategories in the database. Now, we will create the calculated fields required for the circular chart. First, we will create a field and name it as circle radius. First radius of the circle should always be greater than difference between the specified date, field value and the minimum date field value that we are using. It is used to plot circles of increased radius as the year of date field increases. We can add any number instead of 2 to increase or decrease the circle's radius. Next, we will create a calculated field named as radial position. This plots the subcategorical data in a circular pattern. Here, we use the subcategory ID provided in the database. Now, create a field and determine the angle. This field determines how many points we need to plot in the circular format. When we divide 360 with the number of dots, it provides the angle at which each point will be positioned. We will use this calculated field to create two calculated fields, X and Y. X and Y fields will provide coordinates to each subcategory in the year and position them as per the circle radius. The cos and sine function finds the cos and sine values respectively. Let us start assembling the view. Now add X and Y to the column and row shelves respectively. From the menu, select Analysis and disable Aggregate Measure option. Add year to the color mark and convert the year, that is order date field, to discrete. Now create a duplicate of sales and convert it into a dimension. Drag sales copy to the detail mark. Right-click the pill and sort it as per the field sales in the descending order. Change the detail icon to color and we will get a combined field for the color mark. To adjust the size of the marks as per sales, drag it to the size mark. Format the visualization as required and circular chart is ready. Some of the applications of the circular chart can be used to show hierarchical data where none of the values to be plotted are negative. We can also use a circular chart to compare categories of the data to show trends and changes over time. You can find these applications along with some amazing dashboards on Tableau Public using the link provided in the description. If you like our work and would like to create a circular chart on your business data, then contact us today. To get notified about the new charts, hit the bell icon and don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.